I welcome you all in the next video tutorial. So the next topic we are having with in unit number 2 is the difference between antiseptic and disinfectants. After going this difference, only then we will start the sterilization part. Okay, so I hope you have a bit brief about this antiseptic and disinfectant. So they both are similar in that because they are both used to kill microorganisms, but there is a difference in their composition. Antiseptics are used on the living organism such as human skin to kill any microorganism living on the bodily surface, whereas disinfectants are used on non-living things such as countertops, hand drills, etc. to kill the microorganism present on that non-living surface. Okay, I hope this is clear. So here is example of antiseptic liquid, that is Dettol. And remember this thing, Dettol is nothing but it is a chemical. Which chemical? This is chlorxylenol. So this is it contains 4.8% chlorxylenol. So I request you, if you have your Dettol bottles at your home, just see the label. It contains chlorxylenol. So let's see the next difference. So antiseptics are typically found to have lower concentration of particular biocide. Biocide is nothing but it is a chemical, just like chlorxylenol. Bio means living, side means to kill or death. So biocides are the chemical which are used to destruct microorganisms. Okay, so antiseptics are found to have lower concentration of biocide, which is used in that product to clean the surface than that of disinfectant. It means disinfectants contain higher amount of biocides. Okay, so antiseptic require lower concentration of biocide as too high concentration may cause skin irritation. And examples of antiseptics are mouthwashes, hand sanitizer are the examples. Whereas examples of disinfectants include alcohols, bleach, formaldehyde. These all are the type of disinfectant that is used to kill the microorganisms on any non-living object. Here it is, these all are the disinfectants. This is another example of disinfectant, that is the bleaching powder. And even in this rainy season, bleaching powder is used to disinfect water. Always remember one thing, there is a difference in the concentration of the bleaching powder that is used to clean the floor, for example, and the bleaching powder that is added in the water. Okay, so there is a difference between the concentration. Yes, in the end, I acknowledge all the online platforms that I have used to prepare this video, especially YouTube, SlideShare, Google Images, etc. and other online platforms for preparation of this video. This video is not intended for any of the commercialization purpose. It is only intended for you, for your students, for the education purpose only. Thank you.